quad family. Oh, oh, oh. Wait, that's not me. That's not me. I'm not the quad family. I'm got quads for days. Wow. I can feel them blowing in the wind. Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this look right here, this is the look that I'll be creating in today's video with the beautiful Rustic Glam palette. This palette, I have done 3 looks. This is my 3rd one. If you haven't seen my first or my second, then go ahead and go watch them, so that way you could see how I used all these colors. What I loved about what I loved that she did with this was that she section off quads, so you can use these together, and these together, and these together. And I thought that was really neat. So I already done a look with these, and now I was using this one. So if you want to find out how these colors worked, then obviously continue watching. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get to it, so that way we're not here for forever, and you can see the look and recreate it if you want, if you like it. And if you like these lashes, also stay tuned to see where they're from. Other than that, let's get to it. Oh, like she says, without further ado. Okay, I'm not the quad family, I tried them.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we could.
So this is my completed look using the Dominique Rustic Glam palette. I've used every color in this palette now because I've done 3 looks. This is the 3rd one. You already would have seen the 2nd and definitely the 1st. But if you haven't, then go ahead and go watch them. But I used these 4 colors right here today. I decided to do a liner with this one. And you know what? They blended really well. I was very pleasantly surprised. I'm not sure if it was definitely the glitter glue. But I did use shimmers before without the glitter glue, and they did not fall all over my face. So that was great. But this definitely helped. The only one that I did notice was the blue, but I did it underneath. But it was very, very little bit. Very little bit. Other than that, there really wasn't much of a fallout on my face. It does have a lot of kick up. So definitely that I noticed that it's a little different from the other palettes. But I don't mind kick up because I have a lot of palettes with kick up. As long as they blend good, they're pigmented, that's truly all that matters to me. But these lashes, these lashes are from Senorita Lashes. This one is called Aphrodite. And these are the most dramatic lashes that out of the 4 pairs she sent me, these are the most dramatic. But they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. I probably wouldn't have paired them up with this look, but I wanted to use the last pair and I paired it up. But it kind of works, you know. It's so funny because when I use this fan to dry my setting spray, I use my favorite from Gerard Cosmetics. I felt them blowing in the wind. That was hilarious. So everything else that I use, guys, I'm going to list it down below. But if you have not picked up this palette, I honestly do recommend it. I love it. I own all her palettes. I think she's such a inspirational person. She's just a positive human being and such a good person that, you know, I bought her first palette because of that, and then I continue to support her because of that. I would love to be featured though, like feature my picture once. There's that. Other than that, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and pop them below. But if you like the video, please don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to hit the little subscribe button. Always want to mess that up. And the little notification bell so that way you're notified when I upload next. Y'all take care. Yeah, hair. That's my southernness. and stay positive. Remember that there is always a positive in every negative, so don't lose hope. Take care. Little fishy, where you at? Flutter your little fins. That blue right there, gorgeous, gorgeous. They blend. Well, you'll see it. Okay, cut. Don't use this.